Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to add your company email in iPhone. Alright, let's begin. First of all, you're going to go to settings and scroll towards the bottom. After that, you just need to locate mail and then select accounts from this page. Now you're going to go to select add account and then click on other at the bottom. On the next page, tap on add mail account, and you will be prompted to enter the name that you want to show up when you send emails. Then you can put your email address and the password that you set up with your hosting account. Usually your emails are set up whoever your hosting account for your website is. After that, you're going to set up your incoming and outgoing mail server. It sounds scary, but it's actually super easy. Simply put in the domain name of your website in the first column. So go ahead and enter your username, which is your email address, and we're going to do the same thing for outgoing. Once we're done, we hit next and our work email will be added successfully. So that's basically how you can add your company email in iPhone. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.